One of the most common complaints I hear from newcomers to tea is that they think tea tastes like water. But how can this be? Welcome back to Beyond the Bag. Today I am going to show you the secret to getting full, flavorful tea in 3 easy steps. Never again will you have to drink tea that tastes like hot water. The first step is to pick a good choice in terms of tea. Black teas and strong herbals such as hibiscus, mint, or licorice are all solid choices with a lot of flavor to deposit. Avoid tea bags with flavors like apple, vanilla, or orange, as these are all weak, artificially added flavors that leave a lot to be desired. Now that we have made a good choice in terms of tea, the next thing we are going to look at is quantity. Often, newcomers to tea skimp on the amount of leaves they use. Not having enough tea in the steeping will give you a light-colored, weak final product. A good rule of thumb is 1 teaspoon per cup of tea. However, when in doubt, err on the side of more. Lastly, when steeping tea, make sure that your water is hot enough and that you let it sit for enough time. For most teas, the correct temperature is around 90 degrees Celsius or just shy of boiling. Then, when you add the water, make sure to leave it for several minutes. Right when you pour the water over the tea, the instant color shift might fool you into assuming that the tea is ready to be consumed. However, this is not the case, and the tea needs time to fully develop a full and satisfying flavor profile. And there you have it, the secrets to never ever having to drink a cup of tea that tastes like hot water. Give it a try and let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.